Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use Leonardo AI's image-to-image prompt feature. So this is incredibly useful for transforming existing images into new styles or enhancing them creatively. So make sure that you have the full access to the AI features before doing this. So once you're on your library page or home, what you will have to do is you will go to the Canvas editor, and once you're here, you will just have to look for canvas mode, and then you will just have to click change. And then what you will have to do is pick image to image, which is this one right here. And then once it's set, what you will have to do is you will just have to upload the image that you would want to transform. So you should have that feature somewhere right here if you do. So if you do have that feature, which is the upload picture, you will just have to click that, and then of course upload the image that you want, and you will just have to enter a prompt describing the style or changes that you want. So for example, if you have a portrait on your canvas, then you will just say something like turn this portrait into, let's say, a cyberpunk style illustration, so something like that. And yeah, it really depends on what you need or what you want. And yeah, you could also adjust the settings such as the image dimensions, advanced controls, renders, density, guidance scale, and all that stuff. So yeah, you could also use this toolbar if you want. And of course, once you're done, you will just have to click generate and wait for Leonardo AI to produce several options. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.